Okay, resting meat and fish. Okay, it's one of, if not the most important part of cooking meat or fish. Okay, I'm going to bang on about this constantly. Once a piece of meat or fish is cooked, it should be left to rest before serving. Okay, and this allows the muscle to relax and it to become tender. The juices kind of flow through the muscle and make it a much nicer eating experience. Remove the piece of meat or fish from the heat and just leave it to sit somewhere warm with a piece of foil or something over it if necessary. The internal temperature will continue to rise slightly initially, so you shouldn't put it somewhere where it's too hot and where it could carry on cooking. In most cases, somewhere below 55 degrees should be safe. Okay, ideally, if you have the luxury of 2 ovens in the kitchen that you're working in, then leave it sitting in an oven at 55, kind of maximum 60 degrees. Okay, with the warming plates. Take care not to leave the pan or the tray sitting on a stone or tiled surface because this will just suck the heat out directly within a few seconds. Okay, so let's say for simple maths, it's 30 minutes per kilo. So on average, a steak or a fillet of fish needs about 5 to 10 minutes, while a whole roasted chicken or fillet of beef will take around half an hour, even up to an hour to rest properly. Okay, you're more likely to under-rest something than over-rest something. So it's really vital that you factor this in your time planning. Okay, never ever neglect this stage. Okay, if you're running a bit behind, then just make them wait.